Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we'll take a look at the euro currency. So if you remember last time when we have talked on the euro currency, we said, well, this is really nice rally to the upside. Market has met some targets. Also, it was the daily overbought at the fib resistance, so this was really not bad resistance area. At the same time, we said, take a look, the market hasn't quite reached some major targets. So this 1618 extension of the butterfly, this is also 100% extension of this AB equals CD pattern. And we said that it's very probable that before market will turn to some other action, maybe this will be upward continuation, maybe market will turn down here, it should hit these targets. So don't take the position on the reversal, do not take the short until market will not reach these targets. Also, guys, I would like to say that the analysis that we have prepared on the Japanese yen, so market already has hit the target, so this has happened really fast. I think that markets are going crazy gradually. The demand for the safe haven assets right now looks really obvious. So we see that as gold, as the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen are growing on the background of the United States dollar growth. So also, it's very interesting. For example, take a look at the Japanese yen. I will show you the daily chart. Now analysis. So we said that the market should meet the yearly pivot support 1 hour area around no, this is about a weekly chart, right around 1350, 1450 areas, or you can see market has dropped lower, hit the 1435 area. This is, as we said, weekly oversold and strong support cluster. And this target has been met. It's very fast. Right now market will turn to some retracement as we have specified, and later we expect further downward action because we believe that in the long-term perspective the demand for the safe haven assets will increase since situation in the globe becomes worse. Geopolitical situation and the overall situation in financial markets also do not feel any support. I have shown you already the huge double repo sale pattern on the S&P chart, monthly chart of the S&P. You can see this huge double repo sell pattern. We have talked it on the last month in the December. So also you can see market is continuing to move down, and this could be a really strong collapse of the financial markets. As the minimum target of this double repo will be the 50% support of this most recent thrust, but even this drop for the 300 points, 500 points, this will be not just a joke. This will be a really significant action, and what the events will stand on the background of this possible drop is we could just only gamble on the possible reasons for that. That's why we think that fundamentally the Japanese yen, the gold market will keep its attractiveness for the investors, and the money just will arrive in these assets. We positively right now have the positive look on the gold and on other safe haven assets. That's why we said, recall our discussion on the Japanese yen and weekend. We said that, guys, recent drop is not just a simple technical drop. This is the turning point, because by this drop investors tell to Mr. Kuroda that they do not believe in their measures to make Japanese yen weaker. Despite the negative signs, despite the quantitative easing program, this is insufficient measures to keep investors out from the Japanese yen. This is really very significant drop has happened, and this drop already has done. We think that the downward action on the Japanese yen chart will continue, and only tool that Japanese Bank of Japan still has, this is the direct interventions. I think that nothing more they could do right now, or the put the sale, or better to say for the yen, or better to say put the floor for the United States dollar Japanese yen currency pair, as this National Savings Bank has done last year. So maybe something of that sort they could do. So that's briefly on the Japanese yen and our analysis on the Japanese yen. So target has been hit. Now on the euro currency. On the euro currency, we said that do not take any short before market will hit this area. Here, guys, we have that market has hit resistance. This, by the way, was the stretch pattern by the JW, combination of the daily overbought with the fib level. Normal reaction has followed. Market has abandoned this uncomfortable conditions, the overbought and the fib level, shows retracement, and now returning back up. So I think that probably on the current week we should watch for possible hitting of these targets. So some leg up probably should happen and the market should reach, at least odds suggest this event. So this is how market should behave, and we will be watching particularly for this situation, for this scenario. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we see how market is calling around the completing target of the head and shoulders pattern. So market has hit 1618 extension based on the head and shoulders, this ultimate target of the head and shoulders. This is also, guys, an agreement with the daily fib level. As you can see, 1248 is also the daily fib level. It's a very significant level from this top. So really significant resistance. But take a look what's really going on. Market stands flat. It's just calling below this resistance. This normal reaction has followed as respect on the strong resistance and overbought. Then market returns right back up. Retest this area again. If we will plant here the MACD predictor, you will see that we could get here some kind of the bullish dynamic pressure. So trend has showed bearish, but market still calling around. Maybe we'll see this consolidation before the upward action will happen, something of that sort. But currently, guys, it's more probable appearing of some kind of the butterfly, as I have drawn on the hourly chart, something of that sort. So we know that euro currency likes the 50% levels. That's why maybe market will show retracement with 50% support with this most recent thrust, maybe 618, most typical for the butterflies. But take a look, the 127 extension of this butterfly stands 1287, and this was led market to complete both of these targets. Maybe we will get 1618. This is also possible. At 1330 approximately, so maybe market will do this one. In this case, market also will test the weekly pivot resistance one. But in current circumstances, guys, it seems that this butterfly's 127 is more probable, because we do not have any stops above this area. These stops just have been formed on last week, so not much stop orders have been accumulated here probably. That's why I do not see real significant reasons that market should accelerate right to this area. So 127 of extension of the butterfly looks more probable. It's also interesting, guys, that take a look at market stands above the weekly pivot point, and even on this retracement down, due to the overbought, due to the existence of the significant resistance on the daily chart, market has not reached the weekly pivot point. The pivot point has been tested and market stands above this area. So this is a bit curious, and maybe it could suggest, for example, that some real purchases exist right now on the euro currency that holds market from the significant dropping, and these purchases haven't led market to reach the weekly pivot point. I don't see any other explanation here. That's consequently, this let us hope that maybe this purchasing power will keep market and will push it right to our target that we have specified. So this particular the pattern that we'll be watching for in the euro currency today, maybe tomorrow. We will see what will happen.